How you doing, guys? Today we have 2019 Honda Civic, all keys lost, push to start, and we're going to create a key. Let's get started. So I'm going to use the Autel KM100. I have a new aftermarket key, and we're going to take the dongle and stick it in the OBD underneath the steering column. By the way, if you like those videos, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see our daily locksmith videos. So the dongle is connected and we can start the programming. So of course the ignition doesn't do anything, the remote does not work, and we're gonna start creating the key. So first we're gonna accept the terms. We're gonna go to immobilizer. We're gonna look for Honda. Since we cannot turn the ignition on, I'm gonna use manual selection because I will show you automatic selection. If I'll try to read the VIN number, since the ignition is off, that's not gonna be able to read anything. As you can see, the VIN reading failed, so we'll have to go back to the menu, and I'm gonna hit escape and go to manual selection. So we're gonna go again, Honda, manual selection. We're gonna go to Civic, and this is a smart key, push to start. Make sure that everything you chose is right and hit OK. We're gonna go to hot function. Is the ignition turned on by pressing twice? So we're gonna test it. I press twice and nothing comes up, so I'm gonna hit no. It's gonna force the ignition on, so it tells you to press and hold the start button. I like to do it with the fob itself. I'm gonna hold it for about 10 seconds until all the dashboard lights are coming up. And all the dash light came up, so we can release the button and hit OK. Alright, we don't have an option to add key because we don't have a master, so we're going to do all keys lost, and we're going to start the procedure. Ask me about the DTC codes. We're going to hit OK, and it tells us to turn the ignition off, so I'm going to press it and turn the ignition off. It tells me to put only the learned key into the ignition, and he asked me if I can turn it on. I say no. So again, we force it on by pressing and holding the push to start until the dash lights are coming on again. And the dash light came on, so I'm gonna hit OK. I leave the fob next to the push start. I don't press on it, but I leave it next to it, so whenever it wants to read it, it's going to be able to register the key easily. Programming succeeded. Would you like the next key? I'm going to hit no because only one key. Tell me to turn the ignition off, so I'm going to press on it once and turn it off. Now it tells me to turn it regular way, so I'm going to press on it twice without pushing on the brake pedal, and everything came up. Make sure that the two security lights are off. You don't see any blinking lights. Everything is off, so we're going to hit yes. Push it one time to turn it off. Push it twice to turn it on without brake. Registration complete. Turn the ignition off. One time press on the button. That's it. Now it tells me to check all the remotes, so we can take it out and test it. And the button's working. We're going to try to start it. Oh, it tells me to turn it on one more time to close the programming. And there is one key registered in the memory, so we all good here. Nice and easy. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like the video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I love to answer those. Now we're testing it from the outside. Everything works the way it should. Remote start. Long press and you turn off the remote start. We're gonna also test the trunk, and everything should be working the way it should. Guys, thank you very much for watching and subscribing. I really appreciate it. Have a good one.